Hi there guys, so I'm going to walk you through how to get to the online textbook. That way you can read the Crucible along with the rest of the class from home if you're absent or if you need to be doing the work when you're not in class. I'm going to show you how to get there on your own. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize myself and show you my screen. Go ahead and go to your class link, and when you go into class link you're going to click on ELA, and when you click on ELA you're going to double click on this Savvas ELA icon, and what you're going to see is this picture right here. You probably won't have all this crazy stuff because you're not a teacher like me, but you will see this learning system. You're going to go ahead and click on that. That is the name of our textbook, is the Savvas Learning System. Now all the way here on the right, My Perspectives ELA 11th grade, that is your textbook. Now I have different versions here, so yours is going to be the student edition, so you don't have to worry about that, but we're going to go ahead and double click on that, open up that student edition of the textbook. You do want to open it in a new window. So now we have a ton of windows open up here at the top, but that's fine. So once it opens here, you're going to go to this top and you're just going to type in Crucible, because that's the text that we're reading. And you're going to see a bunch of results down here. Now, this is Crucible Act 1. You do have to scroll down till you get to it, because this is like Crucible Act 4. You're not reading that right now. You're going to do 1. So you need to go down to finding that Act 1. Double click on that. And then we're going to cancel this, and you're going to see, oh, here it is. We have the Crucible down here at the bottom. So let me move myself out the way. So you have audio here to listen to the Crucible, and I'm going to move this out the way. If I hide this lady at the top too, then we get the whole text, and then we get to scroll down here. We get to read the whole thing. And if you play here, it'll play the Crucible for you. So you can listen to the Crucible if you'd like, or you can just read it with us. It doesn't matter how you want to do that, but you should be doing the test questions as you go. Now, there's another way to go about this. If you wanted to open the Savvas and then go here, and then you should have access to once you're in your textbook, in this category. I'm not sure if you have access to this version, because I think you only have the student edition. So actually, never mind. You're probably not going to have access to that. That's just me, because I'm a teacher and I have teacher access. But throughout the unit, you should be reading along with the class, along with its learning page. Use the online textbook. You can answer the study questions. Those questions will help you just know what's going on in general in the story. They'll kind of help you follow the plot line. They'll help you prepare for formatives and for summatives, so that you know what's going on, and so that you know what kind of is going to be asked on formatives and summatives. Making meaning out of text like this, which are a little bit more difficult than like what we read before. Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian wasn't nearly as difficult of a read as the Crucible is going to be. So the study questions will definitely help you do that. And this is how you access the online textbook and how you get to the audio as well. And of course, if you have any questions, as always, message me in It's Learning, and I will get back to you as soon as I can, and I'll help you in any way I can. Happy learning.